Okay, this is an example of your Lesson 1 High Frequency Word study chart that you take home at night. And today we're just going to go through a couple of ways that you could practice this at home. I'm going to be using the finger as my pointer, just like I would if it was my finger on my hand. At home, you're going to be using your finger. You might use a pencil or some other type of object to be a pointer for you. But it's important that every time you read a word, you're touching a word. The first way that we can do this is reading straight across. And it would look like this. Let's, help, now, help, now, let's, now, let's, help, let's, help, let's, and so on. So that's the easiest way and the most common way that we practice it. Another example would be reading it vertically from top to bottom, like this. Let's, help, let's, now, help, let's, now, help, let's, now, help, now. So you can see I started to make a mistake on that. Doesn't mean it's bad. I'm just going to correct myself and do it again just like I did. That's exactly what I would want you to do if you make a mistake. Catch it, correct it, and continue. That was vertically from top to bottom. We've done from left to right and from top to bottom. Another way I like to do it is backwards. Help, now, let's, now, help, let's, now, help, now. So that one was backwards from bottom to top. There are also some games you could play. One of them might be to close your eyes, spin your finger around, stop your finger, open your eyes, and say the word now. Let's, help, now, let's. So that's another way that you could play this. You could get a dice and roll a dice. Example, if you roll a dice and you roll a 6, you would count 6 words over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's. Say you roll a 3. Now. Roll a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now. You could get a penny and toss a penny on your paper. And wherever the penny lands, you read the word. Help. Let's. Now. Help. The important thing is that you're reading the words quickly, like let's, help, now, help, now. You want to make sure the words are clearly being said, so you don't want to do it so fast you can't understand it. Let's, help, now, help, let's, out. That's not going to be a good way to read it. And you're reading the correct words. Okay? Those are examples of how you use the Eyes Wide chart that you get home every week with your high frequency words.